Hello, in this video we'll try to get a perfect regression line in scikit-learn. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for how do I get a perfect regression line in scikit-learn. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the first result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires the matplotlib, numpy and scikit libraries to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code. Here we are importing the necessary modules. Here we are loading the diabetes dataset. Here we extract a single feature from the dataset and assign it to diabetes_x. Here we create a linear regression object and then train the linear regression model using the training data. Here is the command to display the plot. Let's run the code. And here's the result. And you have got a perfect regression line in scikit-learn.